Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Eric's Professional. So again, we come back with something like most demandable haircut, which called butterfly layer haircut. It's going to as usual like previous techniques, previous styling parts and elevations and each and everything. It's representing back with last time what we done in the butterfly layers. So my client have something densey hair and it will be frizzy completely with like racist hair she carried because she never had before any haircut. So long length and apart from that more layers she regards for that and she consider. So that's why I choose for some again for butterfly layer haircut. And at this crown portion it will be fringe part is for separated and box section I'm just going to be take separate. And as it is, it will be side by side. This side section it will be going to be separate for sure, and the back portion also it will be going to be separate, and bottom portion again I'm adding the bottom layers first. However, it will be previous videos whatever we done. So in this haircut we're going to be something special techniques we're going to be seeing step by step how we're going to be elevate and add more layers and consistently saving the length and lot more things we're willing to learn on this video. And this video also makes more pretty much excitement, and end of the results is pretty much really good, and you see in the short videos in the beginning also, and it will be same part it will going to see in the end of the video as well. Watch till the end, you can just see the proper results on the step by step each and everything is mentioned in this video. The all section got taken very properly. Now I'm just going to be start with a basic bottom haircut in the beginning onwards from the back. And before that I'm explaining help up to the comb and however we done with sectioning and each and everything, and same thing I'm just going to take back with the section and just giving to the one length basic haircut. I'm just adding with the bottom layers before start elevating occipital tone to crown portions. So bottom portion I'm just adding the bottom layers for beginning. Now I'm just released with the crown portion. I'm just going to be elevate directly on that portion, and before that I'm just taking small section and just rest of the hair and separating. Just tiny bit up to the section I picked from there to add the layers. I just picked from guideline from there. I'm just going to be show you before cut the hair. That is the guideline which we done the bottom layers, and that part I'm just picking up and rest of the hair converting to the layers. And in this hair it will be very racist hair it will there, and rest of the hair I'm just dropping down and just recutting with all the hair. And step by step I'm just consistently following the same previous guidelines and rest of the hair converting toward the layers. And I came to another side and just same following this stationary guideline and rest of the hair converting to layers. And the previous videos it will be the same butterfly layer haircut you might be seeing. I hope you all are understand the previous videos, and I'm just getting with a lot of support from you guys. And I'm just same consistently following the same new techniques of haircuts, and just each and every video I'll just bring back something with new techniques and all. So I'm just after that I'm cross checking and just releasing with side portion. Now rest of the hair, I pick from stationary guideline from back and rest of the hair converting layers. And I come to another side. Same stationary guideline I pick from back, and just before that I'm just giving the basic one length haircut. I'm just rest of the hair, I'm just converting the layers and just picking from stationary guideline from the back and rest of the hair converting in the layers. So that's simple with when you do the haircut in the butterfly layers or any other elevation layers, it will be pretty much easy to do with adding with more layers. The only one thing you can just keep following the stationary guideline and rest of the hair converting in that, and you will be get good results for sure. Now I am releasing with the center of the crown and just adding additional of the extra layers for further. For that I'm just picking the guideline from the exactly with center of the crown and the previous layer whatever is done, and rest of the hair I'm just reconnecting towards the 90 degree. And I come to another side, the same as stationary guideline I pick from there, and rest of the hair converting in the layer. Now I'm going to release the fringe portion. Just small section at towards right to left to pick with a small section diagonal back. Diagonal forward, and this rest of there I'm adding, converting in the fringe. And slightly I'm just elevating with us 0 to 45 and 45 to 60. I'm just now I'll pick from cinching section and just converting with the removing the curve and adding the layers in that part. For those I'm just picking small section. Now it's my complete cut will be finished. Now I'm just going to do the blow dry. Before that I'm just shaking natural layers, and that you can just see ultimately with very good layers on it. Now I'm just taking to the section. and started blow dry. The same spiral technique of blow dry all the section. So this is my small section and doing it with a blow dry and just keeping always consistently with all good shape, and these layers will become very flexible and neat finishing. So I don't prefer any combos or straighteners for those things. Why? Because the blow dry, when you just do the too much of nicely with a blow dry with all the sides, that can be bring very good shine and a little more longer, and from the roots it will bring out very straight on the complete of the hair. The instant will bring out to the shine as well. So many things in this like blow dry technique, so we can just add a lot of and which is flexible. Next we can just insist within this layering techniques and blow dry techniques as well. I'm not adding with too much of tight curls and just releasing them instantly and just going forward with another neck sections. Why? Because the hair will be very resistant, with a little bit after the frizzy and curly hair what previously the texture was. And just I'm just ends only I'm just twisting inside, and the rest of them just converting straight and bringing out with a very good shape up in the layers. That is my more deep intentions, which can be layers well comes out very clean and neat. That is my major concern. So that's a regards, and just slight little bit of tight spiral I'm releasing them when it will be end to finish it up to the blow. Welcome to side portion. Welcome to another side. I'll come to crown portion now. The two section is got left, and this is a major concern which you can just add more in the crown portion. All the sides very neat and clean finishing on the blow dry. That can just add more shine, heat, and just all the sides you can just give nicely straight and little bit of curved side in the style layering techniques. That is a major things which can be carry forward with entire hairstyling with clean and neat, and the crown portion is majorly impact and important things which will be part which can be completely overall the layers will visible very clear. Now I just come to the front portion. It is going to finishing round, and just all the sides are just giving nicely blower shiny things and just adding towards converting it slightly bit after the towards the inwards. Almost is going to be finished the blow dry. I got released, and this is the final look after a blow dry and before a texture. And you can just see that still some of the hair is couldn't able to open, and also you can just see ultimately top to bottom very good movement you can just see by the layers. So this is the end results which can be given with thicker base, and it will be resist hair and adding the styling. And now let's come to the front portion. You can just see the awesome movement which will be look like the Tonga hairstyle similarly, and it will become like inversion layer technique. It will be visible in overall the layers top to bottom, and the density will still remain. On top of that, add lot of layers. You can just see before and after a lot of changes on the hair texture and this technique of the layering, and lot more things are insisted. So this is called with something with a butterfly layers up to the simple technique of the layer cuts, and hope you all are understand too. And if you like the video, please hit the like button and just do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And of course, to deserve to ask, if you really like the video, please hit the like button. Minimum 500 likes I'm expecting in this video. I hope you all do those things as well. And I also expected you guys all have enjoyed the video, and you can see in the final look. And just before that, I'm just adding more texture for clearing with something flexible movement purpose. I'm just adding a more texture for coming up for very good layering for a finishing up. So texture, it will be one of the part of the haircut which can be consistently carry forward the layering. Visible shape, it will be flexibility, and also after a wash they can carry a very easy and flexible way whenever they do ponytails and other ponytails they can do, and little layer will be visible very clear and neat as well. So this is the major concern whenever we do with the texturing. And also remember, always the density will be remain thick and good density. Then only you can just add nicely texture. It will be very thin and the hair texture and density is poor. I would like to ask, refuse to do that. So it will be going to be finishing up to the final wind up, and just going to be finishing with all the texturing technique. And the last more section, I'm just adding the texture. The crown portion it will going to finish. So this is my final look. I hope you all have enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the next video. Until, take care and be safe.